Here with a quick set from Lonewolf Lockpicking. There it is. He had one little dot, so lock number one, mummified key. Alright, let's move it up here. And let's zoom it out. And find this one here. Get the DeForce diamond. Start all the way at the back. And click on 5. Click on 4. Click on 3, 2, nothing on 1. 2 solid, 3 solid, 4 solid, 5 solid. So we're locked up. Maybe a little counter there on 4. I lost that little false set. I think I overset it. Or not set enough. I think I overset 4. Let's try this again. 3, got a little movement there on 3. I think I went too far with it. Golly. Alright, just click on 5. 4 still solid. There's 3. Got a good little turn on the core. And number 1, got a counter. Counter. There we go. There it is. Open on 1. Zoom it back out. And find me a pin and tray. I got stuff in about every one of my pin and trays, so crap. Stay up, camera. There we go. So ignore the extras in the pin and tray. Let's see if I can just, there we go. I'll just pull that right off of there. There we go. There it is, open. Turn it about here. There we go. And we got some threading that I see. Let's see if I can. There we go. A little bit of threading. We'll come back to that. Let's see what's in the top. Where's the top? There it is. Number 1 is. So we can get in here on this. There we go. It was a T-pin, but upside down. I guess it's meant to be that way. Oh, there was a little wafer. Okay, it was a drunken spool. Number 2 is a serration. Steel spring in that one. Number 3 is a another serration. 4, another serration. And 5 is another T-pin and wafer. See the wafer down there. Another drunken spool and net. So we'll go ahead and populate the key because everybody likes when I do that. And I stole that idea from Super Llama. If you guys know Super Llama, You know he does this in his videos. He took extra time to do this, and I liked it. If you don't know Super Llama, check him out. Good guy. Good picker. All right, number 5 is way down deep into the drunken spool. So it'll have a wafer on top here to keep the spring lined up. Number 4 is a serration. Now, and number 3 is a serration. Number 2, serration, well below the shear line. And number 1, another drunken spool, would have the wafer on top. There we go. And let's dump out these key pins. Standard, 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 standard. All standard. And what we have in the plug is 1, 3, and 5 is threaded. 2 and 4 is standard. In the Bible, 1, 3, and 5 is threaded. And that's what we have for the key pins. And the springs is a short copper, a steel, copper, steel, and copper. So that's what we have for Lonewolf lockpicking. So thank you, Mr. Lonewolf. This was sent by him. Appreciate the lot. And thanks for watching. Be legal. And God bless.